Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, brothers and sisters. Today we are going to talk about the correct way of making dua, some of the mistakes and misconceptions we have related to dua. When I was a kid, I used to raise my hand and make dua from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that, oh Allah, give me this and that. But as I grew, I started to realize that dua is not just for yourself, but for everyone. We should make dua for everyone, for our friends, for our family, relatives, teachers, and everyone. This is the first mistake that people do. Another mistake that people do is that they don't ask Allah from by his names. Like Ar-Rahman name is used if we are hopeless and want to get mercy. We can use the name Al-Malik, which means the king, if you want to get something. Al-Mutakabbir, supreme, if you want to raise your status and get success. Al-Khaliq, creator, if you want to if you want that something to be possible from impossible. Al-Azim, who will be there for you and magnifies you, and there are many more names, 100 in total. Another thing we should do is to change the way we make dua. What is meant by changing the way is that, for example, if I will pass the exam, I will do this, that, like I will give charity. If I will pass instead doing this, ask this from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we should practice that, oh Allah, I have given charity and I have prepared hard, worked hard for this. Please pass me in the exams. And another example like, oh Allah, give me wealth, give me money to pay my bills. But instead, we should ask, oh Allah, give me wealth, give me money that I can use it in the right path, in your path, by doing good deeds for others. This is what I meant by changing the way of making dua. I hope this video is worth watching. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala fulfill our noble wishes and forgive our sins. Ameen. Thank you guys for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.